In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate Keyboard Clipboard. All you really need to do is launch your keyboard and copy or cut any text. Now to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. But to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. If you wanna paste it after some time, to make sure it won't disappear, tap on this pin icon at the top right corner. Then select your text and click on Done. To unpin it, hold it. Then tap on pin icon again and wait. To delete text on the go without exiting Clipboard, use this button at the bottom right corner. If you wish to delete anything from Clipboard, use this pin at the top right corner, tap on your text and choose Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!